Go.
Hey guys, my name is Mike. I'm here at Meyer Motors, and here we got a 2014 Toyota Sienna. We just got this van on trade. I wanted to take a minute and show you some of the cool features on here. It's not just your normal minivan, it's equipped with a BRAUNABILITY wheelchair ramp. Very simple to use. All you guys are following right here. You just hit the button and everything pops right up. The ramp is all aluminum. So here in Wisconsin we have a problem with rust. This ramp won't rust. It is just under 30 inches wide. It can hold up to about 1,000 pounds. So you got a lot of durability here. As you can see, the entire van also lowers itself a few inches. Makes it real nice and easy for your loved ones to get into the back of this van. If you take a close up to the inside of the van here, you have a lot of spacious room here. Plenty of room for the wheelchair with all the tie downs. You have some room for some extra passengers as well. And the other cool thing we have with this vehicle here is the front driver's seat and passenger seats are removable. The cool part about that, say you want your wheelchair to be right up here by the driver, you can just pop the seat right out. Real nice and easy. When it's time to pack up, you just hit the button, the vehicle lifts itself back up, the ramp tucks away, and everything closes up real nice and easy for you. We come right back here. It is a power lift gate. For the back hatch here, all the seats back here are removable or are fold downable as well. So you have plenty of room for storage. You also have your spare tire. If we take a look right over here, you have yet again another power sliding door, which you can utilize the remote for as well. It just gives you a nice look at how much room we have back there. Along with the BRAUNABILITY power accessible wheelchair ramp and all the extra room, you get a lot of nice conveniences too that go along with the van. This van is equipped with navigation, blind spot awareness, just a lot of nice safety features. Has a V6 engine and just under 30,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, you'd like to come take it for a ride, please let me know. Again, my name is Mike. We're here at Meyer Motors.